In this video, guys, I want to share with you how you can actually make money online. And when I mean money, I mean earning for yourself 5 to 10k every single day just by simply working from home. Now, most of us actually are looking for the best side hustles or the best gig we can actually add to whatever we are currently doing. And we already know that the Nigerian economy is not favorable to any of us at this period of time. We are all looking for extra way to make extra money for ourselves. And that is why I basically have searched for these methods that most probably would make you the most money within this period. And you can actually use it to legitimately earn cool cash for yourself. As much as 5 to 10k every single day. Guys, if you're earning 10k every single day, then in the month you are going to be earning an extra 300,000, right? And you cannot compare this to the minimum wage that they're even about to raise, if they would ever do that. And you can't even compare it to the salaries that most people even take home every single day. So this basically is one cool way to actually earn extra income for yourself without breaking the bank. Even if you don't have any capital at all, you're a student, you're a stay-at-home mom, and you're looking for that way to actually start making extra money in Nigeria today, then this basically is going to work for you. Now, in order to get started with this particular method, I'm going to be leaving a link to this particular website on my screen right now. You're going to be seeing the link down in the description and also in the pinned comments, because I don't want any of you guys to miss this one. Now, this particular is one that actually gives you an opportunity to resell data, recharge card, and other bill payments. Now, we understand the fact that bill payments, data services, recharge card services, and also other services around utility bills and all are actually topping with the volume of transactions that are being done on this alone daily. Now, you want to ask me this question: why exactly are even your banks competing to actually take over this particular space? Because when you open up your bank apps like GT Bank, Access Bank, whatever bank app you open, you will see that they will actually ask you to buy airtime, they will ask you to buy data, they will tell you to pay for your utility bills like your EKEDC and whatever power connection you have running in your area. They do all of these things because in as much as these transactions can actually be little, because people can actually transact as little as 500, right, to over 100,000 and thereabouts. But then the volume of people that are in this space are huge, and you can actually make cool profits from doing this. Now, the big opportunity here, I've said it, but this is also where you get to see where you can tap into this particular market and you can open up for yourself as much as 20 to 50 naira in profit for every single transaction being done through you, right? So you're basically opening up yourself as an outlet for this, and every of these transactions done through you get to earn as much as 20 to 50 naira on every transaction. Now, I did not say every single day. I said on every transaction. Now, if you're able to get for yourself as much as 100 transactions, 200 transactions, trust me, guys, you can actually get this much volume, because I'm going to share with you guys in this single video. Okay, coming over here to v2uservice.com, what you want to simply do, you can go through this particular web page, whatever it is, and then you can see the data plans they have here, the cheap rates they actually give and all. But you want to go ahead and register, create your account, and log in here. Guys, see, listen up, because what I'm going to be sharing with you guys is actually not just the opportunity, but also what I would currently do if I am to tap into this opportunity and make the most out of it. Once you actually register, you want to proceed to log in. Now, once you are logged in here, as you can see, I already have my account on here. Okay, there are several packages that are here. I'm on the Smart Earner package. You can actually get up to the next package or whatever. But you can see on the menu options, you have the menu to buy data, buy airtime, pay for utilities, and fund your wallet. Now, the very first thing you actually want to do is to proceed to fund your wallet, guys. And this is where you want to fund your wallet with. Let's say you have 5k, you have 10k, and you want to fund your wallet. You can simply go ahead and fund your wallet. Now, this cash is for you. You are just funding your wallet. There is nobody you're sending your money to. You're just funding your wallet, because when you are reselling this data, airtime, or you're helping people to make bill payments, you actually need some cash in your account in order to make this payment for people, and you are collecting the money back. Do you understand? Okay, so you want to proceed now. You want to click on fund wallet, and once you actually fund wallet, you would see here where you can actually put in the amount you want to fund. So let's say we're actually funding with, let's say, 2,000 naira for a start, and let's click on continue on here. And there's going to be a Paystack, payment gateway that we're going to be linked to check out. Okay, once we've been able to proceed, you can actually choose a bank transfer. Let's do a bank transfer here. You want to transfer 2040, this exact amount, to this account details, and you can click I've sent the money. Now, within a couple of minutes, you will see that funds reflecting in your dashboard. Okay, now let's go over to the data section. These guys actually offer one of the cheapest data rates, and I'm talking about any network from MTN to Nine Mobile to Airtel to Glo. Okay, and what they simply do here is where let's say MTN is going to be giving you 1 gig for 400. They are going to be cutting down this to about 275 naira. Okay, and this is actually about 125 naira difference and 125 naira in profit. Okay, so to make your first 1,000, you just need 10 people, or let's say about 9 or 8 people who will most likely even get this particular data from you, and you make cold cash. Remember that people are going to buy as much as 2 gig, 5 gig, 10 gig. For someone like me, I use as much as 200 gig on a monthly basis, and this is where the opportunity comes. Now, beyond the data plan, there is also the airtime side of things. Okay, there is also the utility payment. Now, for utility payment, you can see where you have the option of selecting different power stations, Ikeja, Eko, Enugu, Ibadan, Jos, and all, and you can just help them to make that recharge. Then still on that utility payment, there's also the cable subscription, where you want to help people with their different cable name from DSTV, GoTV, Startimes, and all. The major thing here is that they are able to give you the major thing here is that you are going to be getting it way cheaper than people would have actually gotten it before, right? So you even have the opportunity to give them a discount, right, for using your service, and then you still make your profit. So the other example we gave, so let's see this now, like the other example we gave where they're going to be giving you 4 gig, which is at 400 naira for, let's say, 275 naira, right? You can actually even give people an extra discount and say, oh, I'm going to be giving you this 4 gig for 350 or 375 thereabout, and you can actually beat it down for them and still be profitable on the space, right? How about that, guys? Okay, so how do you now get people, right? And how do you keep them? Because you want to be increasing your volume. Now, you want to simply use WhatsApp. We all have smartphones, right? If you have a smartphone, let me know in the comment section. Just tell me, yes, I have a smartphone. Now, with your smartphone, you actually want to get on WhatsApp, and you want to connect with these people via WhatsApp. Now, on WhatsApp, you actually want to either tag them with a particular color as you get one particular person, or you want to add them to a broadcast. Okay, you want to add them to a broadcast, or you want to add them to a channel. Okay, don't add them to a group, guys. Do not add them to a group. Why? Because WhatsApp groups are actually very open, and anybody can get anybody's contact. And you don't want somebody chatting up somebody that is your lead or your customer and already selling to them. Do you understand? Yeah. Now, this is exactly where you can actually get to build your contact. Now, give yourself 3 months, 90 days, guys. Give yourself 90 days, just 90 days, with which the first month you're able to build as much contact as you can within several groups. Right? Go on all of the WhatsApp groups that you're currently in, right? This might actually be you spamming these people, and this means that you have to be extra polite and make sure that you are giving them a very, very good room to be able to communicate with you, right? You want to reach out to people in their DMs. Okay, now I'm not actually preaching you spamming people, but this is exactly how far you can actually go, right, in order to push what you actually want to push, right? Some people are going to be angry and all, and some people are not going to respond to you and whatever it is, but the major thing is, from accessing several groups, you can reach out to about 100 people, 200 people. You will get as much as 20, 30 people who are going to be your customers, and from here, you keep on growing on volumes, and you can even place some adverts with some WhatsApp TVs, place adverts with some Telegram groups and all, and you keep on building your contact like that. See guys, I'm going to be leaving a link in the description because I just want to take us a step further today, right? If you watch this video, I am going to be leaving a link in the description with which you're going to be able to access my WhatsApp group. Okay, once you're set my WhatsApp group, you'll be able to get one short, one pager where I'm going to put my thoughts down for you so that this particular process is going to be a breeze. Yes, for those of you that are out there and looking for that thing to do, that side hustle to start making money, I want to show you exactly what you need to do, right? You'll understand this, but then I want to show you the exact way to get customers, because getting customers is key. You want to increase your volume and make the most of this space. But first of all, guys, go ahead, use the link in the description. There's going to be the first link in the description and also in the pinned comment. Use it and sign up ASAP. Sign up to this particular website right now and you can get on. Now, I forgot to mention two major things. One is that they have a mobile app and you can actually use the mobile app to actually do your transactions. Yes, so it's easy on your phone. You don't need to go over to the website to be browsing. No, they have a mobile app with which I'm going to be showing you how to download as well. The link is on the website and also you can get it on Play Store if you're an Android user. And secondly, their customer service is top notch. So if there's any case where there's a glitch or service is actually slowing down transactions, you can always reach out to their customer service and they would help you to get to resolve everything, guys. Everything. Okay? But then, guys, do well. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section. And at the same time, like this video if you actually like what I just shared here. And subscribe, smash on the bell icon. And I'll see you in my next video, guys. Peace.